It's Sunday, and y'all know what that means. For me, it means we got some cleaning to do. I usually get up on Sunday mornings and just clean my little heart out. The kitchen is not so bad. It's more cluttery than anything else. So, yeah, without further ado, you put this on, get your music, get your cleaning products, and come clean with me, okay? So usually after I've cleared all the counters, I take out my products, that's when I take all my cleaning products, spray the counters down, and wipe everything down. Now, my counters are real wood, they're butcher block wood, so I have to use specific products on my counters in order to preserve them and keep them looking nice. Right now they're looking a little dusty, not gonna lie. They're looking a little ashy because it's time for me to condition them, which I will not do today. But here's what I use for my, specifically for my butcher block countertop. So if you have anything that's wood that you don't want to damage, you can use, drum roll if I can find it. Of course I can't find it, hold on. And I'm clearly to re-up, but you could use this all-purpose method spray, cleaning spray. Now this one, it says it cuts grease and grime. This one is specifically for counters, tiles, stone, wood, and glass. So it's safe for wood. You can use anything that specifically says that it's safe for wood. If it does not specifically say it's safe for wood, and you have wood countertops, do not use it on your wood. Okay, you don't want to discolor or jack up your wood in any way. That's it, let's keep cleaning. After I'm done wiping down the counters and things, I also like to clean out my sink. So again, just in general, especially when cleaning up around the house, I try to use more green, safe products. I will say, I love my Lysols and my bleaches, do not get me wrong, in certain parts of the house. So my Lysols and my bleaches are mainly used in the bathroom, and all of the more green and environmentally safe products I use in the kitchen. So this is another Method product. I love my Method products. So this one is Citron. It's antibacterial and it kills 99.9% of household germs. It's a germ buster. It says kitchen surfaces, countertops, high chairs, doorknobs, garbage cans, that kind of thing. Love this stuff. So I usually give my sink a good spray. Spray it down. So let's see, y'all. I was like today years old when I found out, not literally today, but very recent years, when I found out that on all of your house cleaning products, like cleaning sprays, surface sprays, there is a specific set time that you should let the spray sit before you wipe it down to actually make sure the surface is sanitized or disinfected. So for this Method antibacterial spray that I love to use in my kitchen, it says to disinfect, spray until thoroughly wet, let stand for 10 minutes and wipe clean. 10 minutes, bro? I used to just spray and then wipe. But anyway, to sanitize non-food contact, hard, non-porous surfaces, spray until thoroughly wet, let stand for 5 minutes. So I have sprayed this. It's been way more than 10 minutes now because I got distracted and had things to do. But I will give it a good spray again. On my sink. Like I said, it has been sitting more than 10 minutes. I just added a little more. And then I'm going to wipe this down with or scrub it down actually, with my Scrub Daddy. I take this out of the sink. And then I will get to scrubbing. question, which vacuuming in my house is super important, especially the hard floors, because we have a dog and she sheds. She doesn't shed a lot, but she does shed. So I always vacuum, plus crumbs and stuff. I always vacuum before I mop. That way I don't get hair and stuff stuck to my mop sponge. So after I vacuum, I get my good old mop bucket, regular old mop bucket, y'all. I get my mop bucket, and then when it comes to floors, I'm very into chemicals, okay? When it comes to floors, toilets, bathrooms, like I said, I absolutely love this stuff. The Mr. Clean, what is it? Multi-surface cleaner. But this is the Gain scent. Oh, I promise you guys, try this. It will have your floors smelling so good, and your whole house, wherever you use it, the room will smell so good. It smells amazing. It's my favorite. So the Mr. Clean Multi-Surface Gain scent, you really only need a little bit, especially if you're doing like a small area, like one room. A little bit goes a long way. So while I have my water boiling, I like to use boiling hot water for the tile floors. Again, killing all the germs, right? Yeah, it just says cuts, grease, powerful clean, safe on finished wood. So this is safe on wood floors too. Great for kitchens, bathrooms, and other tough jobs. So I take a little bit of this. When I say a little bit, I really mean a little. Like, see if I can show you. Oh, I take like that much. That's it. That's all you need. And then I take my boiling water and I pour that right in there. Look at the steam, nice and hot. That's what we like, hot. I put that right in there. Okay, you got a nice little bubble, you got some steam, and now you're ready to mop. Oh, it smells so good. But that's more to like buff it and make it shiny. I usually go in with the glass cleaner first to get all the little fingerprints and things off the fridge. I'm out of my favorite glass cleaner. I wish I even had the bottle to show you guys. I do not have my favorite glass cleaner, but this one will do. This is the glass cleaner by Hello Bello. If you have not seen my Hello Bello review, it was a couple years ago. It was really funny. I did a Hello Bello review of these house cleaning products when they first came out. I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago. It's up on my channel. Go find it. A lot of people seem to like it and it was funny. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and use this glass cleaner in place of my favorite glass cleaner for now, because this will do. Any glass cleaner will do. First you go in the glass cleaner, then you go in with the stainless steel cleaner, and then you get it. clean to my satisfaction, to my liking. I like to spray down all the handles and knobs and things with the disinfectant spray. I usually use the 7th generation disinfectant spray. This one is in the scent Fresh Citrus and Thyme, made from essential oils, kills 99% of bacteria and things. So I will just give all of the little handles and knobby things a good spray down, and then I'm pretty satisfied with the kitchen. It's not a deep clean, but it's clean, okay? In my opinion, no kitchen or bathroom is clean in the house without the final step, which is one of the most important. I love my house to be scented and fragrant. I want you to walk in my house and it smells fresh and clean or pretty. So the very last thing that I do is I use a wax melt most of the time. It's got wax all over it, but that's fine. I get a tea candle and I've got some wax already up there, and I light a wax melt to give it a good finish, make it smell amazing. So I keep a drawer full of wax melts. When I tell you I'm obsessed, it's a problem, okay? I have so many. I have so many. I have, oh, a ribbon. I have so many. I have so many. I have so many, okay. And then I have some in the drawer in the living room. I'm a little obsessed, but right now my favorite scent to use is either, for the fall, I'm feeling either Beautiful, okay, or a Hammock Breeze. Now this one, the one that's already in there, I might replace it because after a few burns, sometimes it gets a little lackluster. That one in there, I think, that one is Beautiful, and it smells really good. I usually get all my wax melts from Walmart. Anybody sells them, everybody sells them. And I'm gonna go ahead and light this baby up. And yeah, so when I wanna change the wax, I let it get a little soft on top, just melt it a little bit, and then I usually, like, the wax will slide right out, and I dump it in the trash and put a new wax melt in. So I'm gonna let that melt a little bit. I'm gonna put this over here, and my kitchen is gonna be smelling so good. And then we're done in the kitchen, y'all. The kitchen is pretty much done. This was just the kitchen. Let me know if you like this video, if you want to see me clean the bathroom or another room in my house. I'm gonna go ahead and keep cleaning, but I'm gonna end this video here. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you go check out my other videos and tell me what is your favorite so I know what you guys like to see from me. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your Sunday and get some rest. Love you. Bye.